Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about ICP token and Bitcoin. What's going on now on the charts? Let's dive in. Let's start with yesterday FUD, and I'll explain you here step by step what's going on. Yesterday with all this Kobe posts about CZ, Interpol, and all this stuff around the Binance again. So I never seen so much FUD, incredible attention to one person and incredible attention to one single exchange. So we'll see how it play out for a long run. I think in the next few years, I think Binance will have a problem in United States, but not now. Also, we can take a look at our market. Basically, historically, we got April is a bullish for even S&P 500 and the Bitcoin. For S&P 500, I'm still waiting to close 4K 200 gap. We got this post from Elon Musk. He made a post with this picture, and if we flip this picture, we got a maybe it's a sign 32,135. Maybe it's a price of Bitcoin. Around this level, we got a middle line of this global channel and take profit. Take profit line by my indicators now at 31,580. Exit line for Bitcoin, it's 35,600 on the futures. And I already showed you on the spot, it will be a little bit different numbers. And on BLX, it will be also the different numbers. So that's why it's hard to say how high we can pump on Bitcoin. But most likely we have to test or take profit line or exit line. On a daily, if we go to weekly, so still everything still in play. So I'm expecting the move at least like this one, maybe even like this and correction. So if we go to ICP token, what we got here? We got these stop losses. We got these stop losses in November, the top before the FTX collapse. So it was the structure. We got a high, we got a low, low, and pump. So now we got uptrend FIB. And if we take a look like this one, here's the bottom, here's the top. Here's an impulse, correction, and second impulse. The second impulse, we touch it 61 low by FIB. Now we're going back to test 0.5 low by FIB and several times tested 0.5. Can we drop lower to 61 or even 78? Yes, of course we can. Around 78 low by FIB, like a market, it's buy line on daily on take profit indicator. But it's not necessary, so we have to collapse. Of course, we can by the news, by rumors or something. But now, like you can see, all these lines are start curve up. So basically, we can continue the trend. And if we take a look on volume range, here, fixed volume range. Here, this impulse, we got. Now we are at the crucial level from sellers. So several times we tested, one touch, reject, second touch, reject. So now we have to breaking out, going over then $5.29, retest it and going higher. So like you can see, now it's the most tradable zone for ICP. If we drop it lower, here you can see the volume, the people who are ready to buy ICP again. So for a long run, I already explained to you why I'm bullish on ICP token. And now I would like to go and check ICP spot. Here's the spot. And here's what is interesting for ICP on the spot. We can close the direction on the weekly time frame. Because on the spot, we got a longer history than on futures. That's why on the weekly time frame, we got the take profit metrics. So here, the fundamental price, only the fundamental price. So we are now trade long-term period in this block. So since June 2022, we trade in this range. So we're forming here 1, 2, maybe 3 bottom. We're forming And maybe it will be even like on a Bitcoin, you know, some type of head and shoulder, you know, so it can be the head, shoulder, and the right shoulder. So according by this logic, we can see even move to like this one to $16 per coin. And this signal to buy relevant on a weekly, this recommendation close position relevant, fundamental price $10.85, buy line 14.61, take profit line for ICP it's 28.92, and exit line is 32. So all this exit line is around 18 level by FIB. So now we trade under 27 zone. So now it's basically, it's good time to accumulate this coin for a long run. It's just my personal opinion. A lot of people blame the ICP, oh, it's only going down. Oh, it's only going down. But guys, a lot of coins can drop insanely, even from this current price. So it's only up to your own risk. Because just for example, if we pump it to this level, for example, everybody starts screaming, oh, I told you. When you just gamble without any explanation why this coin can pump or dump, you just jump in, make a profit, and in this area start screaming, oh, I am a genius. No, we talk a long time period about ICP. So I know why do I'm buying this coin. I know my targets where I jump in and when I will out of this coin for a long run and for speculation. That's why I use my indicator set, which got pretty good win rate. So guys, I mark it on a weekly time frame. Targets for middle term, maybe we'll see even this year. Take profit line $30 per ICP. Of course, it's hard to believe, so the ICP can pump almost 500%, but in a few months, we can easily make a move like this one, collapse down once again to the buy line, retest it, and climb it up to our middle term targets. So guys, I hope you like this video about ICP talking and Bitcoin. And if you want to trade this, my custom indicator set 6-in-1 only for $1 per day, just write in DM, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.